Well, the cloud, for one, it's bigger than big. It's enormous. I now believe that it represents an opportunity to displace up to $1 trillion in annual revenue. And what that means is that there's some big companies that need to make bets. Some of them are behind the curve, and there's going to be a lot of M&A to catch up. I think that's going to be exciting. There's plenty of room for startup companies like Engine Yard to move in and do something really well and be a part of the new ecosystem. So I think that's going to be big. I also think mobile's big. And mobile, to put it in simple terms, is everybody is connected, which means that we have a user community that instead of it being, thousands with PCs on their desktop, is virtually hundreds of millions of people with a phone that can reach into the internet and engage with applications, conduct commerce, or do whatever the particular application is going to do. So those two things are enormous. And the third thing I think is going to happen, and not just in 2011, but on into the rest of the decade, is open source is emerging as a very viable technology. It's proven, it works, and it changes the ecosystem a little bit. We get rid of the hegemony of buying the tools from a vendor, lock in, and then the ongoing maintenance and support. And companies like Engine Yard and others take open source, the technology is free, but we provide industrial support around that, so a big corporation can be safe betting on the underlying open source technology, knowing they can get the support and services they need.